What's going on, guys? Welcome back to R.P.M. Garage. I just want to give you a little update on the 56 Fairlane. Show you a little bit about it. I mean, it's a good, solid old car. We'll get inside of it, maybe fire it up and look in the trunk and let you all check it out. Here it is, guys. It's the 1956 Ford Town Sedan. It's a pretty solid old car for a 1956. I'll let you all check it out, see what you think. I will say this thing does run. I will let you check it out here. We'll fire it up here in just a minute. You know, as far as the trunk, the only rust spot that I can find is actually underneath of the tire. You know, door panels, everything is here on this car, guys. I mean, it is solid as can be for a 1956. Everything is here on it. Like I said, as far as the trim, it isn't missing a piece other than the V8 badges and where it says Fairlane here on the rear and the front. All the windows are intact. Good, solid car. Look inside of it here, which of course, you know, door panels need to be redone. You know, floors are solid as can be. And it shows 55,000 miles. I'm sure that's way more than that, but you know, solid old car. You know, my plans for this car is, you know, I'm not going to do anything as far as to the exterior and stuff right now. That's got a little bit of rust where water's been setting in it, but it is actually solid. It's only that's only a piece of trim right there that's off of the car that I've got to put back on. But you know, we're going to go through the brakes, suspension, and steering, and you know, get it safe for the road and work on it from there. Give me just a second, open this hood. I believe this is the original 292 that come in this car. This thing was built in Dearborn, Michigan. I think I said that right. I have decoded the engine. It is a 292. This car comes with a 292. I'm trying to find the casting for the date of the engine when it was built. As soon as I can find that, I will update you all. Let's see if I can get this thing running. Good, solid old car. I mean, it runs good. And as I was saying, as far as the trim, this is the only dent that I have found in the trim. Everything else is pretty solid. It's all painted, has overspray all on it. I'm gonna clean it up, maybe try to polish it, get it fastened a little bit better. You know, clean all the emblems and things up. That's how that trim goes. I believe this is the original color of the car. But of course, my daughter wants it pink and cream. But I believe I may just paint it the same color. Not sure yet. But that's it in all of its glory. I mean, the top is in good shape, you know, minus the rust, of course. But, you know, nothing is rusted through. Only thing rusted through that I have seen, of course, is down here behind the bumper. And then you have, you know, the quarters are pretty well shot at the bottom, fender lip. There's a little bit up here. I'll show it to you. Sorry for walking around the car so much. You can see under the headlight there, it's got some rust holes in it. Everything's painted. I need to strip all this off. Same thing on this side. You know, that'll have to be fixed. Rocker panels and this fender. Other than that, it's a pretty solid car. But let me know what you all think. We are going to get to working on this really soon. So that is the car, guys. Like I said, let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We are going to start working on this. And like I said, we're going to go, steering, suspension, brakes, a little bit of wiring. This car does run and drive. Transmission shifts. We'll go through that, maybe do an oil change. The gauges do not work on the dash, so I need to put one of those 3-pod gauges in. It shows you the oil pressure, temperature, and as well as the alternator for what it's putting out. But that is the plan. We're going to get started on this hopefully here pretty soon. I'd like to know your all's thoughts on it, what you all think about it. It is a 4-door, and of course I shared that. But let me know what you all want to see, if you all are excited about it or not. I would love to hear your input, and we'll go from there. Thank you, guys.